Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a countdown timer in Scratch. So first open Scratch in New Project. Now add a When Clicked event. Then go to Variables, add Set Time To. Let's add a variable here. Name it Time. Click OK. Now just choose Time here and set Time To. I will choose 10 here. Now go back to Control and add Repeat Until block, and here just add Operator, Repeat Until, add Time here equals 0. Now go back to Events and choose the Wait block. Wait put in, leave it as 1 second here. Go back to Events into Variables and I'll change my variable by choose here, change, select the time variable, and put in -1. Now this is the default value, so, and just try it here, just stop it, and around the program, as you see the timer, is decreasing by -1. And that's it, guys. We successfully created a countdown timer in Scratch, a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.